Chapter 7. Phrases. Let's learn phrases. A phrase is a group of words that add meaning to a sentence. It is not a complete idea. A phrase forms an essential part of the syntax or structure of a sentence, although it does not have any standalone value. It helps in expressing a single idea and is used as a unit within a sentence. It does not contain a finite verb. For example, Japan is called the land of rising sun. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Here, the land of rising sun and up the hill are phrases. They mean something, but do not make complete sense as they do not contain a finite verb. In this chapter, we will learn noun, adjective, adverb, verb and prepositional phrases. Let's learn noun phrase. A noun phrase includes a noun and its modifiers. It is a group of words that does the work of a noun. It answers the question what and who. For example, the goat ate leaves. The black goat ate all the tender leaves. In the above sentences, the addition of modifiers transform the status of nouns in the sentences. The words goat and leaves in the first sentence are common nouns which get changed into the black goat and all the tender leaves after the addition of the modifiers. As these are made out of nouns, these terms are called noun phrases. Moreover, in this example, it should also be noted that the adjectives like black or tender which are placed before the nouns have the status of just modifiers of the noun. As these adjectives are not having central determinant position in the sentence, the phrase with which it is attached acquires its name by noun, which has the main position. Hence, the phrase is called a noun phrase. Remember, noun phrases act as both subjects and objects of verbs. For example, my best friend from Mumbai is coming to meet me. Subject: I wish them a great success. Object: let's learn adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective. In an adjective phrase, there isn't any noun. Therefore, the adjective is the head, main, word in the phrase. For example, they had a beautiful house. Noun phrase: the house is very beautiful. Adjective phrase. In the first sentence, beautiful is an adjective and a beautiful house is a noun phrase. In the second sentence, the adjective beautiful is replaced by the group of words very beautiful without changing the meaning of the sentence. There is no noun in very beautiful and the adjective beautiful is the head word. Thus, it is an adjective phrase. Here are some examples of adjectives and adjective phrases. Adjective. Adjective phrase: a silver dish. A dish made of silver. A brown dog. A dog with brown color. A one-eyed monkey. A monkey with one eye. A mountain trail. A trail on the mountain. A blonde-haired girl. A girl with blonde hair. A heavy suitcase. A suitcase with a lot of weight. The Indian Army. The army belonging to India. Let's learn adverb phrase. An adverb phrase is a group of words in which the main word is an adverb which forms part of a sentence. An adverb phrase acts as an adverb. It tells us more about a verb. For example, Arjun ran fast. Arjun ran with great speed. In the first sentence, fast is an adverb. In the second sentence, the adverb fast is replaced by a group of words with great speed without changing the meaning of the sentence. Thus, it is an adverb phrase. Here are some examples of adverbs and adverb phrases. Adverb. Adverb phrase: rudely. In a rude manner. Carelessly. Without any care. Hopefully. with a lot of hope. Stealthily, with caution in a stealthy manner. Tenderly, in a tender manner. Softly, with softness in a soft manner. Unknowingly, without any knowledge. Everywhere, in all places. Remember, an easy way to identify an adverb or adverb phrase is to ask how, when, or where. After a verb, the answer you get will be an adverb or an adverb phrase. Kinds of adverb phrases. There are different kinds of adverb phrases of manner, adverb phrases of place, and adverb phrases of time. An adverb phrase of manner tells us how an action is done. For example, the carpenter closed the cabinet with a bang. She cracked the walnut with a hammer. An adverb phrase of place tells us where an action is carried out. For example, the children are playing in the garden. Elephants are found in Africa and India. An adverb phrase of time tells us when an action is carried out. For example, I saw him in the morning. They will reach here in a few minutes.